What me do? Pick up the package, dog. This a military thing like I come from Afghanistan. Dressed in camouflage. Before I turned 21, I was already savage, dog. I tell it, yeah. Pull up in a foreign whip, foreign girl, I'm a passenger. Let him have it.
Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be testing out the hair paint wax. If you guys are on Instagram, you've probably seen this everywhere. They're very popular and I really wanted to try it out. As some of you guys know, I've always had colored hair. I used to have my hair colored like honey blonde color before I did my second big chub, and I've been itching to color my hair again. So this was definitely a lifesaver because now I can get color but without the process of like lightening my hair with actual dye. So I'm really excited about this and I can't wait to try more colors. I actually had my Instagram followers vote on which color I should try first, and a lot of them voted for purple, which is crazy because I really wanted to try the red. But yeah, if you're not following me on Instagram, I always tell you guys, like, what are you doing with your life, honey? Like, you need to be on my Instagram. It's on and it's popping over there. So definitely follow me on Instagram. My name will be down below. So I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys just a few things I like and do not like about this product. First of all, I love how vibrant the color is. I love that it gives my hair hold, unlike those spray on colors that kind of leave your hair very stiff and matted up. Like, I did not use any gel in my hair, but I have a lot of hold and I also have a lot of definition for a flat twist out. I know flat twist outs can be hits or misses for a lot of people. It definitely gives my hair hold because this is a wax. It has beeswax and carnauba wax in it, so it definitely gives your hair that hold. So yeah, I really love that about the product, and I love the color range that they have as well. Now, some of the things I don't like about it is that it stains. It definitely stained my shirt while I was wearing it, but that's not a problem because I feel like because it was still in the wax form, it's definitely going to stain. It stained my fingers as well, but I was able to wash it off. So I mean, it doesn't really stain. You guys, excuse my nails, I know it's a mess, but I was gonna actually soak these off, but I wanted to be able to come back and show you guys that it did not stain my nails. Okay, these nails are due to get off my hand. The main issue I have with it is that now that it's dry, it flakes off. Like, as I was taking my hair down, I don't know if you guys can see, but on my shirt here, there's like purple flecks, like flecks of purple all over my shirt, and that I really don't like because I feel like if I was wearing a white t-shirt or something, then it would definitely show if I went out. But other than that, I love this product, you guys. I'm happy that I can like experiment different colors without having to like bleach or dye my hair. That's perfect. So if you guys would like to see me try the red next, definitely let me know. I feel like this will work so much better with the wash and go, so I'm going to do a wash and go next. Comment down below if you want to see me do the wash and go with the red or with both purple and red mixed together. I feel like that would make such a pretty color. So let me know down in the comments below which one you guys would like to see. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. So guys, I'm starting off on damp hair, and as you guys can see, those are the two colors I got, but I'm obviously going to be using purple, and this thing looks really pretty inside the container. Kind of looks like candy in my opinion. Anyways, I'm going to be doing a flat twist out, and this thing kind of smells like male like perfume. It has this like really perfumey scent, and it's not very sticky or waxy. It's just soft. It feels kind of like a conditioner or like a hair butter of some sort. So anyways, I'm going to be doing a flat twist out, and as you can see, I just sectioned out my hair and I just rubbed it in properly into my hair. I left my roots kind of dark because I didn't want my entire hair to be purple. I wanted it to kind of have like an ombre effect, and then I'm just going to go ahead and flat twist my hair. You guys, I'm not going to explain too much in this video because I already have a detailed flat twist out tutorial on how to get the most defined flat twist out ever. Like, this flat twist out is not even defined. Like, you guys need to go check that video. I'll definitely link it up in the cards as well as in the description section below. So I'm basically just going to let you guys chill and watch this video. I feel like I'd be like trying to explain stuff when in reality people just want to watch it and like see what you're finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest, echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't want to miss a beat, and on we'll go.
turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So I basically flat twisted my hair the way I wanted my hair to fall. I flat twisted this entire back section going backwards, and then the sides coming down the sides, and I'm going to be flat twisting the front coming forward because I wanted my hair to sort of fall towards my face, even though my hair isn't that long yet. You guys will see how I kind of fix that at the end of the video when I'm like styling my hair. But yeah, I basically just do my flat twist out how I want it to fall. That's pretty important when it comes to doing flat twist outs. Like, you can't just twist it in any direction. It will become very hard to like fluff it. You might end up making it frizzy and whatnot. So yeah, I'm basically twisting this thing into my hair. You guys can see my hands, my nails, everything became purple, but I was able to wash like maybe 98% of it off. It didn't really like stain my fingers or my nails or anything. Like, you could see like very little hint of the purple, but like it wasn't like my fingers were like purple, like I used purple hair dye or anything. So yeah, I like the fact that it actually washed off. And yeah, you guys just keep watching me flat twist. I'll be back.
Hold me close till I get up.
After I was done twisting my hair, I just wore a bonnet and I went to sleep. And 2 days after, this is me like deciding to unravel my hair. I'm busy, you guys. Like, I just put my hair like under a beanie and I just like went to work, went about my business. But anyway, to take them down, I'm using like oil, which is what I usually do with my twists. Now, I don't know if this contributed to it like running on my fingers or like staining my fingers all over again. I feel like the oil kind of took away some of the product, but that's fine. I don't know the kind of tricks I'm trying to pull here. But anyways, after I'm done unraveling my twist, I'm just going to go ahead and fluff my hair. Be careful not to fluff like too much. You don't want to destroy like the definition and the curls that you have in your hair. And after that, I was just like, okay, this looks kind of boring. Let me just do something cute with this. And I had these like gold bobby pins that I got, so I decided to just do like a cute little bobby pin style on the side. And that's basically what I'm doing here. And you guys, the look is basically finished. Like, this is my first time with purple hair and I really like it. It's not that bad actually. I think it's not overwhelming, that's why I don't mind it. I can't wait to try the red just to see. And here, as you guys can see, I'm just pinning the front of my hair forward just so it falls towards my face a little bit. That's like the oldest natural hair trick in the book, you guys. And this is basically the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please, if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.